Arabul Islam leaves ISF and join Ritu Trinamool, leader from Bhangur in the house of the opposition party leader in the assembly. What is going to be the political future of Arabul? The speculation come true on Monday. Arabul Islam left ISF and joined Ritubruto Banerjee's Trinamool camp. The fresh leader from Bhangur was seen in the house of the opposition party leader in the assembly on Monday. Arabul Islam left Trinamool Congress and joined ISF before the 26th assembly election. At that time, he said sacrifice for life for Trinamool, but that party had repeatedly insulted him. This decision was based on the anger, but within a few months of the election result, he resigned from his post, making practically the same allegation against Naushad's party. Arabul's statement after leaving ISF was that they are running. He alleged that the party's lumpen army was uppercrossing the common people across Bhangur. In protest, he decided to leave the party.